Konasana is a lateral side-bending yoga posture. It's amazing for shoulders, necks, arms, back and thighs. It releases the stuck pranic energy which elevates the mood and helps fight depression. And also it prepares us for several other advanced yogic postures. If you're learning Konasana for the first time, I'd suggest you to watch this session once from beginning to end and then play it again and follow along with me. Let's practice by standing in Tadasana Sthiti, toes facing forward, knees loose, navel pulled in, chest open, arms stretched to the sides. Slowly start lifting your left arm up towards the ceiling or the sky and keep pulling your arm up. Inhale, and as you exhale, gently drop your right arm from the right shoulder and bend to the right side. Be soft on your neck. Keep breathing. Stay here. Do as much as you can. Be gentle on yourself. If you wish, you may gently push your pelvis left just a tiny bit. With every inhalation, pull your left arm up, and with every exhalation, pull your right arm down. Feel the contraction on the right side and the stretch on the left side of the body. Inhale and slowly come back up. Exhaling, you may relax your hands. And just notice for a moment how your left side feels versus your right side. Feels much more alive. Let's do the same with the right hand. Slowly start lifting your right arm up towards the ceiling and keep pulling your right arm up. Inhale, and as you exhale, gently drop your left arm from the left shoulder, bend to the left side. Be soft on your neck. Keep breathing. Stay here. If you wish, you may gently push your pelvis right just a tiny bit. Body like a rubber band, stretched in between the right arm and the left arm. Inhale, lift yourself up. And as you exhale, gently bring your arms down and relax. One common mistake or misalignment while performing Konasana 1 is to twist from waist or shoulder and we don't bend in one line or one axis of the body. Remember, Konasana is a lateral bending posture and not a spinal twisting posture. So what happens is, as you start bending, your shoulder starts to tilt, your arm starts moving away from the axis. So don't let this happen. Make sure that your body is laterally bending in one line. And the second misalignment is that you try to bend too much. Remember, yoga is not about competing with your fellow yogis. It's about consistently, steadily becoming a little bit better version of yourself every single day. So just reach wherever you can comfortably and easily, and then stretch just 1% more. Just 1% more. It's more than enough. Namaste.